guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to turn an old jar into a fancy jar. And I had this old jar laying around in my house, and I also had these long beads laying around in my house, and I'll just glue it into this and make something fancy, and so I can use it. And then this video you will need a hot glue gun, scissor, and I'm using these beads and an old jar, any size you have in your house available. And also you don't necessarily have to use this type of long beads. You can use any type of decorative thing you have in your house laying around. So let's hop into the video. and then to make something. So thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.